Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Cadillac SRX. Stock number is 18K33A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps as well as front parking sensors. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels wrapped with Hankook tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a panoramic sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end, you have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch now, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside, you have a full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this SRX on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.